Hello friends, today I am going to explain the topic of CRC card method. CRC, that means C stands for class, R stands for responsibility and C stands for collaborator. In this CRC card method introduced in 1989 by Kent Beck and Ward Cunningham, it is designed to teach object-oriented programming at Technonics. This CRC card is an index card in a group setting used to represent multiple types of class of objects, their behaviors and their interaction. It is totally based upon the class and their responsibility and their collaborator and their interaction and nature of the particular class. This is the CRC card method format. This card method format consists of this class name, it consists of some responsibilities and consists of name of the particular collaborator. CRC. The name located at the top of the card describe the class that the CRC card represents. This CRC card character consists of some responsibilities. Responsibilities are represented along the left side of the card, and each distinct responsibility is on its own row. Third one is a collaborator. Some responsibilities will collaborate with one or more classes to fulfill one or more scenarios. That's when collaborator are listed on the right hand of the CRC card to next the responsibilities that they are helping to realize. This totally depends upon the CRC. That means class name is top side, responsibility is left side, and collaborator is right side. So, how do you create CRC model? Iteratively perform the following step. That means step 1. Find the classes. Find the classes is fundamentally an analysis task because it deals with identifying the building blocks for your applications. A good rule of thumb is that you should look for the 3 to 5 main classes right way, such as student, seminar, and professor. Each and every class represents class name. Each and every class consists of some responsibilities, and each and every class consists of some collaborator. Find the responsibilities. You should ask yourself what a class does as well, what information you wish to maintain about it. You will often identify a responsibility for a class to fulfill a collaboration with another class. Let me suppose class is a suppose of student. What is the responsibility of student in college management system? To attend the lectures, to maintain the discipline, to give the assignment in time. There are multiple type of responsibilities performing student in college management system. This is a part of the responsibility. What is the main responsibility? Identify a responsibility for a class to fulfill a collaboration with another class. Collaborator. A class often does not have sufficient information to fulfill its responsibilities. Therefore, it must collaborate. That means they work with other classes to get the job done. Collaboration will be in one of two forms. First one is a request for information or request to perform a specific task. This task is based upon the class, and each and every class consists of some responsibilities, and task this task performed with the help of responsibilities given to the particular class. To identify the collaborator of a class, for each responsibility, ask yourself, does the class have the ability to fulfill these responsibilities? If not, look for a class that either has the ability to fulfill the missing functionality or class which should fulfill it. In doing so, you will often discover the need for new responsibilities in order to class that may even the need for a new class or two class. Suppose for example, suppose one class is student. This student class consists of some responsibility to attend the lecture, to maintain the discipline. Each and every student consists of some attributes, suppose name, ID, address, phone number. Each and everything consists of student in college management system. This all thing collaborate with the specific which project. I think it's collaborate with the seminar. All that thing which are collaborator. Who is collaborator? He's known all the things which are related to the particular class and particular responsibility. It's called as a collaborator. This collaborator will be in the one or two form. One is a request for information, or second is a request to the perform a specific task. Fourth one, move the cards around. To improve everyone understanding of the system, the card should be placed on the table in an intelligent manner. Two cards that collaborate with another should be placed close together on the table, whereas two cards does not collaborate should be placed far apart. Furthermore, the more two cards collaborate, the closer they should be on the desk. Having the card that collaborate with one another close together, it's easier to understand the relationship between the classes. Those cards which are closer to the particular class, which are easier to understand the particular user. Advantages: this method is portable, anthropomorphic, that means no computer program can be captured the essence of the interaction forced by passing the cards. Level of involvement felt by each team member increases, useful throughout the life cycle. Provide the basic for the more formal analysis and design methodology. Serves the input to formal methods. Use a general bound on the size of the class of the card. Is the transition from process orientation to object orientation. Most formal methods for overlapping. It is a brainstorming methods. Easy to understand. For example, this suppose one class is sales, consider the responsibilities, knowledge, behavior, operation, and promotion, and collaborative partner. Second class is a transaction. There are some responsibilities, money transfer, auditing, collaborative card reader, and client. Delivery, item identity, check receiver, order number, total quantity, collaborative partner, and clients. Order, price, stock, validity premium is the responsibility of this particular order, collaborative customer, and order lines. Thank you.